Hi everyone, and welcome to our Boxplot SPSS tutorial. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the tutorial in the VCL Virtual Computer Lab. So first thing you'll do is you'll actually go into the Virtual Computer Lab, and there's a tutorial posted on one of the previous weeks as to how to do that. So I'm, as you can see, in the remote desktop connection. And I'm going to go ahead and open Mozilla Firefox in the virtual computer desktop. And as you can see, it takes me to the Fullerton portal login. And I've already logged in. You'll have to go ahead and log into Titanium. And go into the 349 link, and from there you will want to go to the Boxplot CSV file and do Save File. And then once you've done that, we're going to minimize that, and you'll see the Boxplot data set right there on your desktop. And then what we want to do is go down to the Start menu, All Programs, IBM SPSS Statistics, IBM Statistics 21. And again, just remember you are still in your remote desktop connection. So we're going to cancel out of this. And from there, we will go to File, Open, Data, and here we are going to go to Text Documents, and we will go back to our desktop, find our Boxplot dataset, and open this. And this is the CSV file, so you're going to have to do some special steps to open this dataset. So, does your text file match predefined format? No. And you're going to hit Next. Then it asks, are variable names included at the top of your data file? And yes, they are. We'll hit Next. Then, how many cases do you want to import? You want to say all of the cases. Hit Next. Then, it asks which delimiters appear between the variables, and in this case they were commas, so the comma delimited, not space. There you go, you can see all of your data set. Scroll down, hit Next. So then it does tell us that any invalid names are changed. So as you can see, the first one is blood glucose time 1. So we're not going to save any of these formats, and we'll hit Finish. So there it is, it's done our import, blood glucose time 1, blood glucose time 2. So we've imported our data. As you can see, there's 87 records in each variable. And we are now going to create box plots. So what we want to do is go to Graphs, Legacy Dialogs, Boxplot, and what we're going to do is we're going to create simple box plots with summaries of separate variables defined. So we're going to click on our time 1 variable, put it into our boxes represent, click on our time 2 variable, do boxes represent, and hit OK. And then what we've done is we've created 2 side-by-side box plots. Now if we only wanted to create one box plot, what we would basically do to go back to our SPSS data set, and I'm going to just create one box plot for one single variable. So the way to do that is go back to Graphs, And this time we're going to go to Chart Builder. Instead of Legacy Dialogues, we're going to Chart Builder. So there we do OK. And as you can see, we've got a whole bunch of different choices. We're going to click on Boxplot. Let's click on one single Boxplot and drag that up. And then what you can see is glucose time 1 is there. We're going to click and move that into our x-axis. And then hit OK. Now, as you can see, we've created a graph with just one Boxplot. And there you have it. So what we'll do is we will do File, Save As. So we're going to save our output. And I'm going to call this Shimazu, or your last name, Output 1 Boxplots, glucose, and I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. There it is. And now I'm going to close out of SPSS, close out of the data set. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Do you want to save the data set? No. And then I'm going to go back to Titanium. And log into the portal here within the VCL. So see how this is my regular desktop, but I'm in VCL and I'm logging in to Titanium in VCL. So I'm going into Titanium. And what I will do is I will go down to week 4. And here's assignment for Submit Boxplot Output. I'm going to click on that, and in your Titanium you will be actually able to submit the file here. So I can't do it because I'm the instructor, but you will be able to submit your assignment for into this location. Okay, so that's what you'll do, and when you're finished you can close out of Titanium, and then you can actually exit out of the VCL. So there you go. Have a great week, everyone.